Alright, so the Mini gets a little bit of an upgrade today. It gets a new dampener by ATI. So we want to see if this will resolve some of the weird vibrations I get at random RPM ranges. So around 4,000 RPM, I get this giant vibration that happens. It wasn't like that before I did the Type S oil pump. So by removing those balance shafts from the factory K24 A2, I started to notice a little bit more vibrations occurring. So hopefully this ATI dampener will do something. So time to loosen this belt and get this pulley out. This is the Type S pulley, and let's see what the difference will be. Alright, so some of the differences between these two is this pulley is a bit heavier. Inside, if you notice, there's no cutouts in the snout here. This one got cutouts, which doesn't matter because the crank is flat anyway. Also, you can see this new one is thicker, and even though it has the same ribs here, it is a little thicker. It comes out a little bit more, so it shouldn't affect me here because I have plenty of space. So let's get this new one on. I'll put little anti-seize inside here and press it on. Alright, just like everybody was saying, it's going to be very snug. So what I'm doing is I'm using my little electric gun to get it in there. Being very careful, doing it nice and slow. I'd rather do it by hand, to be honest, but it's going. Alright, I'm just going to use some red Loctite. I've been using this red Loctite for years now, and that's more than enough. So it has bottomed out now, and I've taken the bolt back out, put Loctite in there. Should probably put some grease on a little bit here too. Some anti-seize here. Alright, I got some anti-seize on here. Just a little bit. Probably don't need to do this, but I'm just going to do it anyway. Got anti-seize, I got Loctite, I got everything on there. Going in nice and smooth, so the threads are good. And this is a brand new bolt when I built this motor, so, or when I did all the maintenance to it with the timing chain, oil pump and stuff. So let me just tighten this down with this. And I'll just get my big gun. And by the way, these sockets are the best for taking it off. Notice it's weighted. So I'm gonna put that back on, tighten the belt back up, and go for a ride. Recording? Yeah? You ready? Alright, hold on. Yep, recording. Fucking hey, bro! Alright, I came back from a test drive about a couple hours ago, and after this new damper I installed, I'm pretty happy with the results. The vibrations have calmed down a little bit. There's some little bit more work to do, but After removing the oil pump that causes this motor to be kind of balanced, kind of created more vibrations. So installing this damper helped, and I came back, and this hose this goes for the oil cooler, kind of tore, so that's why you see this wheel off right now. But I put a temporary hose in there for now. I ordered the correct hose. This hose isn't the correct size, but this is just so I could stop the leak. But yeah, the new damper helped. I'm gonna do the same thing on the Volvo. It's just better for the engine to have that better damper on it. But I'm pretty happy with the results, and I'll show you when I do the Volvo. The Volvo will get an upgrade too. So I'll install that one there and probably have to pull the fan shrouding off. I just replaced this radiator, so I don't want to take the coolant out. Yeah, let me know what else you want to see on it. You want to see more driving on either car, or want to have me talk about a little bit more about it, I could do that. But yeah, this is it for now. Thanks.